The match goes in favor of the red waistband wrestler.
We have all been waiting for this match. Please join me in welcoming Rung Liang Chiu, all the way from US, the reigning US wrestling champion and also the reigning champion of Myanmar Wrestling, under the aegis of Chin World Wrestling. The wrestler in red waistband, Rung Liang Chiu, and the wrestler in blue waistband, Rukukuto Kuso, to be followed by the match between Tuang Kling and Chelo Akami.
Atu apogaja Rong Liang Chiu, Chin Wrestling Champion daja. Red waistband. The first ball goes in favor of the red waistband wrestler Rong Liang Chiu.
The first bout in favor of the wrestler in red waistband, Rung Liang Chiu. The second bout to begin.
The match goes in favor of the red waistband wrestler
The
Rong Liang
next,
Chiu.
the next. Waiting for this match.